These are the elevators of the Extended Stay America of Marlborough, Mass. These are Schindler MT. A lot of the Extended Stay Americas have Schindler MTs. Back down to 1. We're also going to stop at 2, just so it doesn't look suspicious that we're in here. Kind of like, I can't even see what it is. That's it.